I feel like I haven't been to Santa Clarita often enough lately. They do got the spend and earn sale here as well. I almost forgot about how good the deals are in the extended size women's section. Let's go see what's up here. You see carts, man, I'm telling you. People been here. Dang, everything is all out of whack. Look at these. Look at these. I think that's the cheapest we've ever seen these. $80. This is a size 9 women's, so I'm in the size 12 section, but I got a size 9. The aluminum foil ones right here, 11.5, go for $80. Sabrina's going for 60. Look at these Jordan 1 low slips. These are marked down to 25 bucks. $25 size 11.5 women's. That is a size 10 men's. Pegasus 34 is going for 35. Kill Shots 25 with these blazers. These blazers right here, size 11 men's, 12.5. Just all white. All white, pretty freaking clean. Check the price. Check the freaking price. Look at that. $30. Let's say 29. $30 freaking dollars. Air Force Next Nature is going for 50. I see some Forces right here with some tumbled leather. Size 15.5 women's, 14 men's, 50 bucks, man. Moving over to the 10.5s. No Invincible runs over there, unfortunately. I used to find Invincible run Flyknits size 10.5 here all the time. Did y'all start taking them? What the hell? Has the masses figured out how comfortable they are? Don't see any in the size 10s or even in the 10.5s. Damn. Even in the women's, I used to see them all the time in the women's extended sizes, but nah, man, ain't seen none. Pretty jacked up, god dang it. $60 for Metcons. These are 10.5s. These have been here forever, I feel like. Invincible Run 3s, $80, way too much. Infinity Run 4, still going for 80. Are these gonna get discontinued? I heard these as well as the Invincibles are getting discontinued. I'm curious about those Pegasus Plus that they've been talking about. Penny 2 still go for 100. Hirachis in a blue chill, going for 50. Still got these Air Max 1s, La Familia, going for 110. These colors are very vibrant. This one comes with a paw print on the back. Jordan 38s. This is a fire colorway. Like I mentioned, these are so freaking comfortable. Even Wear Testers had these as one of the best cushion basketball shoes. I think this was the #1 slot, right? Yeah, 100 bucks here for this 10.5. Then they got the Chicago colorway right here, 100 bucks as well. Oh wait, I almost missed these Nike Bayous. Extra bright, $60. You can find a Nike Bayou, man. You're good, because they get those out for so cheap. Moving over to the 10s now, got these blazers right here, interesting color. Yeah, these are 60 as well. Jordan 1, these are golf. Right here, 100 bucks for these. Air Max 1 premiums, go for 80. GT Jump 2 is such a good freaking shoe. Oh my goodness, these are going for $80. These retail for $180. And I think these are one of the best cushion shoes as well. I did grab one of these. Haven't been able to hoop yet. Hopefully in the next week or two. But yeah, $80, that's a hell of a price. Gonna have a hard time finding that for any cheaper. GT Hustle 2 is going for 80. More of the golfs right here going for 80. 70 for the Cosmic Unities. 40 for the Katy Trey 5. 10s. These have been cheaper at some of the regular outlets. Holy crap, I didn't even notice. They got the 10% off sale still. Is it still or is it again? I don't know. I haven't been here in a while. San Diego soccer jersey right here. I didn't even know San Diego is a team. Really? 75 down to 30. That is an XL. Got some clean polos. $15. $15 just for a polo. Oh, it's a hole. I was like, what is that on the side? For ventilation, I guess. Small little Nike sign on the back. Got the Tiger Woods Sunday polos right here. Go for $25. LA hoodie go for $25. It's very lightweight though. Lightweight jacket go for $29.99. Extra small hoodie right here. Medium duty right here. 25 bucks. Extra small though. Is that a small one maybe? It's a double XL. Ambassador Club. I'm not really familiar with this one. Yeah, 30 bucks. Do they still have the Tech Fleece deals? $50 for the hoodies right here. Just the regular pullover, $40. All black, you really can't go wrong with that. Tech Pack jacket. It's a waterproof material? Looks like it. Oh, it's storm fit, so it looks like it. $80, normally $250. Tech Pack with the extra soft exterior, $80. Got a ton of these in a large. And two-tone Tech Fleece, $50 jackets. And a pullover. This is the unisex new ones. Going for 60 bucks. Checking out the grade school section. Still trying to help one of my boys out with his kiddos, but kind of wary to buy anything here because you can't really return stuff. Got Jordan 1 low OGs for $100. I feel like we've seen that cheaper. Actually, I haven't seen the grade school, to be honest. $70 for Jordan 38s, two different colorways. Both go for $70. 37s right here, go for $70. Multiple colorways of those as well. Got LeBron 21s going for 70 bucks. Looking for one hoop shoe and then actually looking for a couple of casuals. 70 for LeBron 21s. And going to some casual. 50 bucks for Air Max 97s, but I think I want some more neutral colors. Some of these are wild. $40 for Blazers. I don't know their clothes situation, so I can't buy all these wild colorways. $50 for Air Max 1s. Stuff like this, but I think more low tops. I don't know. 90? 90's a bit high for that, no? Like, I'd rather pay a little bit more and get the OGs, but still a little bit high. I feel like at the retail stores and stuff, they've had all kinds of crazy deals. Not here. 50 bucks. I guess you do get that extra 10% off, but still not the craziest deals. Air Max 1s, $40. That's not bad. Dunks right here. 90 bucks. That's all size 7s. But like I said, I'm wary of getting anything here because no returns. They actually do let you do size swaps if you're genuinely just looking for something for family members and stuff. But I don't want to go through all that trouble, especially having to come specifically here instead of just going anywhere else. That's what I love about the factory stores. Do got a grade school Black Hat 3. What's this going for? 130? 130. I think the retail on these were 160, 150 or something like that. 2 bills for adults, right? Okay. Walking by the women's. They had really crazy deals on these a while back. GC Hustle 3, $60. These are 8.5. 8.5 men, 10 women, $60. Really ain't bad, to be really honest. Yeah, that ain't bad. I saw it for cheaper though. Checking the huge sizes again. 70 for the size 11 comforts. Dang, this is a decent freaking deal. That one's not bad. That's not bad. And like I said, plenty of campers here. I just realized they do have men's 7s here sometimes, like the extended size 7 and under, but very small selection, just this right here, and then goes under 7. I see like 4.5, so size 3 in the men's, which is kind of crazy, but yeah, nothing really worth showing y'all. Nothing really good. And then size 8.5 in the women's right here. They do got some Alpha Flies right here. $230 though. Damn, that's more expensive than the regular outlets. $80 for these. $50 for Cortez. Jordans go for $70. Air Force One Next Natures go for $70. Kids are in high school, so Air Forces probably would be pretty good. $70 for Cortez. And they do have plenty of Air Forces. $90 for these. Shadows right here go for $60. Double bubble Air Max 90s, $70. This colorway right here, pretty freaking dope. $50. Nylon, and does have that strip of suede in the middle. Under for these right here. These Dunk Low twists. Price unknown. $50 for these right here. $70 for these Jordan 1 Comforts. Nike by You. Air Max 1s right here, $60. Dunk Low twist right here. These are $750. Yeah, some of these prices are a little bit high. The $160 for those. Poofy jackets right here. $100 off, $165 down to $60. They got this slightly lighter duty ones right here, but it is thermofit, has that lining on the inside. $50 for these. Got this Tech Pack. This is rain looking jacket. I don't know. But yeah, just $59.99 it looks like. Got matching pants right here for $60 as well. The new style right here, everything's super baggy again, but yeah, $60 for these. These feel very comfortable, dude. And these khaki looking pants, super baggy. $20 though, $20, and that is a 30 waist. It's pretty useful. It's useful if your waist is a 30. 40 by 30 right here. Golf slacks going for $30. Jordan cargo looking pants. The elastic on top going for 40. More golf khakis right here. These bad boys going for 30. They have a lot of slacks here if you need some slacks. If you want Nike slacks. No, that's not for everybody, but some of y'all will want them. $40 for these. Oh, those are cargo. All right, happened to be out in Lancaster. Stop by here real quick. I haven't hit up a Lids in a while. Yeah, it looks like their semi-annual clearance sale's all done. This is one of the smaller locations, but they did have some stuff on clearance right here. They still have it, but everything's price is marked now. No extra discount. Got some kids jerseys. Kids jerseys $75 for the Luka Doncic. Jimmy Butler $60. All these fools who got traded. Anthony Davis $60. Oh, that one's an adult one. Oh wait, these are all men's. These are all men's. I think this one's, no, I guess they're all men's, yeah. All the trade deadline deals making for pretty decent prices. If you're a Dallas fan, do you still get a Luka Doncic jersey? I don't know. Lakers, Mitchell, and us. Did any of the prices go down? Maybe some of them went down. No, not really. Clippers jerseys as well. $60 for Kawhi jerseys. Large Dodgers shirts right here. $24. Oh, some of these went down even more because these were $15 during the sale. Now they're down to $10. Chicago Bears. I don't really know any Bears fans. $28. All right, got a chic right here. Oh, they still do have these Forces right here. The University Blue patent leather bad boys. A lot of the shoe palaces that used to have them been selling out on these. $120. I kind of like these. I don't like them. The material, not the greatest, but I like that rope leather. I like the patent leather. I kind of like it. Is that a new colorway of the Durant right here? Durant 17s. Okay, $160 for these. That is retail. I haven't seen that colorway. Still got the Aunt Pearls. The material on these are interesting. It is a suede, but it looks way different. Yeah, $160 for those as well. Still got 3 of the Airmark Tempos that I'm kind of a big fan of. I like these right here, but yeah, definitely not paying retail for too many things right now. Oh, the Panda suede. The suede Pandas are on sale now. That's a solid price too. Holy cow. 50% off? Damn. Wait, I forgot. I'm looking for grade school stuff for my kiddo's friend. Not seen any crazy sales in the grade school. I thought grade school stuff been on sale, no? This is the women's. Yeah, I'm not really seeing any sales at all. What's up? What's up? Because Valentine's Day's coming? What the hell? Is this a grade school exclusive of the LeBrons right here? LeBron 22s? I don't think I've seen these in men's sizes. Okay. All right. Kids, I don't know what they go for. I don't know the price. These 4s really available everywhere, huh? They initially sold out, and then Jordan Brand did a restock, and then all of a sudden they're available. Is that because had to do with resale, or I don't know? Did everybody already get one? I don't know. That's really interesting how that worked on this. And then dude got the Space Jam 1 mids, $135. Verse Metallics. Got these green 5s still. I'm really surprised they're not on sale. That is size 10. Still got the olive 9s right here. These aren't even on sale? Oh, okay. I still can't believe these are still $135. Kind of interesting. Midnight Navies right here, $140. Oh wait, almost forgot about these. $110 right there. Still got the, what is it, gray cements. $2 for these. They do got the Swingman, or like the Swingman equivalent of the UNC Jordan jerseys. What are they going for? 140. This one shows 125, so a slight sale on those. Got a couple of them. XL and a medium. And then I got the women's right here. And look at this. What the hell? The Mars yards? Not what these are called, the Mars. I forgot what the hell. But yeah, 150. I haven't seen these in forever. Holy cow. And then yeah, these are going for $50. These are Jordan 1 Low OGs. That is just crazy that these are here. Maybe should grab these for my kid's friend. My friend's kids. $50, dude. I don't know what school colors she has though, because that's not a school color. Might not make sense. Oh, she's in college. I think she's a freshman in college. And then the women's got the fake Tiffany's right there. Jordan 1 Comforts going for $50. I think these were on sale. Yeah, $40. $40 for those. All right, I only got 5 minutes of footage, but I gotta go to work. Got to get my butt to work. But yeah, they only have a Foot Locker. They have this pharmacy board shop that does get a bunch of Nike SB Dunks. They have a Pro Image. I did walk in there. They didn't have anything on sale. Then they do have a Finish line. That's pretty much the mall, man. It's pretty much the mall. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Press that like button. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. What we do is we look for sneaker deals. We go out and try to get you guys news. Try to show you guys what we got in the stores in LA. Some of the other parts of the country too. All right, we out, man. We out. Played some hoops. And these young fools are quick as hell. Quick bastards. What the hell? Too old for this. Yeah, I got my Jordans on. Hopefully my feet aren't killing me. First time I played in forever. But yeah, I got some good kids, man. Got full court right here, full court right here.